while. I've been so busy with school, classes, and everything. And tonight, I'm going to take y'all to an event that I've been planning with my team for about a couple weeks now. And it's called Pajamas and Games. I am one of the leaders of this org. And we do different events. We write articles. It's called Her Campus. You probably heard about it a million times. With me opening the different boxes and just talking about the org. So I want to take y'all along, but first off, we have to get out of these ugly clothes and into some attire for the event. It is Pajamas and Games. So let's change. We are going to change from this into as you can see behind me, and I apologize for the lack of footage in this vlog. I was also trying to work on like a million things at one time while also trying to have some fun and not get too caught up in filming. So I hope y'all enjoyed. If you want to see more of these college vlogs or more of Her Campus, just let me know in the comments below. Sorry I keep moving. I'm like, I can't stay still for like, it's just my personality is hard for me to stay in one spot. But I hope y'all have a great rest of your day or night. I hope to see y'all in my next video. And don't forget to put on that ringer and check out some of the social medias, because if I'm not posting, I'm usually posting on my stories, specifically Snapchat and sometimes Instagram. So go check all of that out. Subscribe to everything. It's all free, and I'll see you in my next video.